Congratulations on purchasing your Oracle Jet espresso machine, powered by Thermojet. Let's unbox your machine. Place the box on the floor and open it up. Remove the accessories contained in the top panel packaging. With both hands, firmly hold the machine and pull it up and out of the box. You'll find a set of key accessories that all have a part to play. Before first use, remove all of the plastic protective covering and wash all the parts and accessories with warm soapy water and a soft cloth or brush. Dry thoroughly before use. You'll notice that the Oracle Jet features a third wheel for added convenience. You can easily swivel it around until you find the right position, then lock the lever to secure the machine from moving around your benchtop. You'll need to soak the filter in cold water for 5 minutes. Pop it into the filter holder. Fit the holder snugly into the bottom of the tank and fill with fresh cold water. Check your water hardness by dipping this test strip into the water tank. You'll use this info shortly. Now, place the water tank into the machine. Fit the bean hopper to the top of the machine like this, locking it into place. Now, let's power it up. On first use, your machine will prompt you to set up various preferences, including a Wi-Fi network connection to run a firmware update. This keeps your Oracle Jet up to date with the very latest operating system, just like your smartphone. Next, all you have to do is follow the on-screen tutorials, which will take you through all the parts and accessories to get to know your machine better, right through to making your first coffee using simple, easy-to-follow steps.